Hey Kham fam, welcome back and welcome to Keeping Up with Kham. So today we're coming at you with our toddler boy hairstyle video number 34. Kham wants to show you guys his blueberries. Honestly, he loves blueberries. I don't know what it is, but we're going through containers like crazy. So our video today is going to be a quick little hairstyle that you guys can do when we know that we just need to put something in their hair. We don't want to do anything fancy. We just don't want their hair to get too messy. So I'm using my Shine and Jam. This is in the yellow. It's with honey. Honestly, I love this thing. It allows for a really great hold, but it lets their hair still like breathe and go back to its normal motion. So it's not going to get hard. It's not going to get crunchy. It's not going to be flaky. It's going to do its job and then it's just going to disappear. So I'm going to do just a regular 4 braids. So I'm starting on the right side of his hair. I've parted it in half and then I'm parting those into 2. I'm adding my extra virgin olive oil to the perimeter before I put down my Shine and Jam. That's just my little tip and trick that I like to do to make sure that it's not damaging or anything like that. So I'm starting this braid off normally. I showed you guys how I hold my fingers. Honestly, what I realized through this video, I start braids however the wind blows, however my fingers feel at that point, that's how I'm braiding. So this specific braid, I sectioned it and I put 3 sections. In the next braid, I just gripped it and went. Sometimes there's just no rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. I do want to put a disclaimer on this video. This is the first video that I've done where Kham doesn't really have like his regular distractions. He has no tablet with him. He's watching the TV. Because it was only 4 braids, I was like, you know what? It's not going to involve a lot of me putting his hair in a certain place and like making sure that he doesn't move around a lot. So I was just like, whatever, I'll just leave him with the TV. But as you guys can see, keeping him still and keeping him not from like fake crying, oh my gosh, that was something I'm not too used to. I don't know if it was the direction of the braid or what, but it looks like it was like pulling at him as I was braiding down. This happens even like when we braid our own hair. You know, you usually just get like a clip or something and you put it at the base of the braid so you can continue braiding down. But I was making sure that it wasn't being pulled too tightly or anything like that. I never want to harm him in what I'm doing, so it may look away, but I promise he's perfectly fine. So I'm going in for the next braid. Super easy, super simple, guys. We're just doing 4 braids going back, nothing to it. Make sure that you guys are using your Shine and Jam or whatever product that you like to keep the hair flat, because as we have these bigger sections, it's super important to do that. Unfortunately for me, my Shine and Jam was on its last life, so I was like, the most important part for me to use it on would be his perimeter, so I left that to use on the 2 outside braids. The 2 middle braids didn't get as much love, even though they're the ones that need it the most, kind of. But yeah, make sure you guys use it when you're doing it so your styles can stay super neat and super flat. As you can see here, I am changing up my hands again. I'm doing this like bear paw type of grip. I find it to be just a little bit easier when I'm doing the bigger sections and when I'm like going through the middle part of his hair. Don't know why, I don't know what it really is, but it's just a little bit easier for me, so that's the way I tackle it. So I know you guys have come accustomed to seeing Kham in his Highchair, but this will probably have to be the last video that I do in his Highchair. He is just getting too big for it. He doesn't even really use it when we eat anymore, so it's kind of just staying around as his seat for getting his hair done. But he's outgrowing it and it's becoming more of a hurdle to get his hair done than a help. So I have to figure out a new a new way to go about it. The thing that I really liked about the Highchair is because it has the table attachment, right? So like I can put his snack on there, I can put his tablet on there, and like he's good to go. I'm probably gonna try working at the kitchen table because we have like higher chairs and stuff like that. But the thing is, it's not near the great natural light that we use over here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do exactly, but I'm gonna figure it out. If you guys don't see a video next week, that's the reason why. I'm literally every day just think, okay, well, can I work here? Can I work here? Can I work here? Just trying to figure out before the next video comes out. But yeah, we're gonna have to say goodbye to Kham's Highchair. And we're gonna see how difficult it really gets when there's no like constraint. Like he's in the Highchair, he can't go anywhere. So we'll see what happens. Cue the waterworks, cue the dramatics. This is Kham freaking out because I asked him to put his head on his side and he's like, I don't want to put it on his side. Is it bad that I think he's so cute when he cries? And like he's so serious with this cry and I don't want to like laugh, but every time he cries I'm just like, oh, you're so adorable. And he gets so red. Oh, he's the cutest thing. But no, he's fine, guys. He's just doesn't want to look to that side. He wants to look at the TV instead, and I told him I need him to turn. So I'm adding beads just to give it a little spice, just to make it a little less plain. I do not use a feeder, guys. I have been doing beads since I was a baby, okay? We never had little feeder sticks, so I'm just wrapping the end of the hair, and I put the beads in. Then I'm going to take the end of the braid, and I'm going to put it around the last bead, and I'm going to take the elastic and just tie it. Make sure that you guys are doing this going upward so that it's flat and not just like a big knot, because once it's flat then the other beads that are there are able to slide down and slide over it and it will look flawless. So I went with 3 beads. I went with the clear ones. We had black and we had white, but I was like, you know what, just do clear. It actually really helped this time around with keeping his end straight, so that was a bonus. But yeah, loved it. I also quickly want to say again, thank you so much to everybody who tuned into our live stream. That was definitely my first ever live stream and I was so nervous going into it, but you guys are awesome. It was so much fun. I really enjoyed it. We're definitely going to do it again. I just have to know what you guys want us to do a live stream about. We are going to get at it again, but it was really fun. Thank you guys so much to everybody who tuned in. We still have the giveaway going on right now. Don't forget to hit us on our Instagram at keepingupwithkham. You can go there, participate on the giveaway post. That's going on until Saturday. I will pick a winner and you guys will get your own customized velvet do-rag. Look at it. Isn't it so cute? Okay, so I'm putting this on. Like I tell you guys, every time I put this on, it's like a new adventure. I'm just trying. So I make sure that I put the 2 pieces of, I wish I knew the technical names, but the strings, the ends, I put them around and I tie it in the back, and then I go back and fix it in the front. So you just make sure that you choose one of the 2 and you make that as your piece in the forefront. So you're going to flatten it out, make sure one is on top of the other one, make sure that it's not too much on their forehead because we don't want to leave an indentation. Pull the cape in the back and you are good to go, honey. Looking great. These are so perfect, so cute, and they have stretch, which I love. And voila. So I'm so sorry we didn't get any good shots. At the end, Kham was too antsy, but here is a picture of what the final product looked like. I want to say thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Thumbs up this video if you like it. Hit us down in the comment section below. Let us know if you liked this video, questions, comments, concerns, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.